Welcome back, everybody. This is Michael Leveris from jurisq.com, where we bring you different attorneys, different practice areas, and different states to educate you. And today we welcome back Kevin Attkisson, a personal injury attorney in Dayton, Ohio. Kevin, welcome back. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. It's great to be with you.
Yeah. In our previous session, we have introduced you to our network. You told us about your philosophy, what sets your firm apart, your experience, and today I want to get into more the nuances and details of personal injury law and car accidents. Let me ask you, some people think I'm paying my premium, I have my insurance coverage, God forbid something happens, I was in a car accident. Can I just myself go ahead and file a claim with the insurance company and expect to get paid for my pain, suffering, lost wages, and all that? Or do you think it's better if they hire an attorney, a seasoned attorney, personal injury attorney in Dayton, Ohio?
Well, the answer is yes. You can do that. You can deal with the insurance company on your own. I would not recommend it, though. Okay, so what really happens is when you've been injured by the negligence of another driver, and we'll just take car accidents as an example. Unfortunately, there's lots of car accidents out there, and that's the vast majority of what we do is representing people who've been injured in an accident. There's also, you can fall on somebody's property, you can get hurt other ways due to someone's negligence, you can get attacked by a dog. Those are all ways that you can have a personal injury case. But again, the vast majority of cases that we handle have to do with motor vehicle accidents. Usually, when you're in a motor vehicle accident, well, under Ohio law, you're required, every driver is required to have liability insurance, okay? So if you get into an accident, you need to look to the other drivers, that is the at-fault driver's liability insurance. So first of all, it's not your insurance company, it's somebody else's insurance company, and their job is to pay as little as possible and make sure that you go away and don't sue their insured, okay? That's what that insurance company wants to do. And what these insurance companies do when people are not represented is they swoop in really quick. They try to throw a few bucks at them to make them go away. And it might be a situation where a person is out of work and they need some money quickly to pay some bills or things like that. And then the next thing you know, they've settled their case and they're still hurting. They're still incurring medical bills. They're still having lost wages, but the insurance company snuck in, tempted them with a little bit of money, and now they've signed a release and there's nothing they can do. So I would highly recommend you speak to an attorney and get some advice. It'd be great if you called the Attkisson Law Firm, and we are glad to give free consultations. And if we're a good fit, we will take you on as a client. But I would not recommend you going after somebody else's insurance company on your own. Now, you can have, let's take for instance, if the other driver is not insured. Okay. It happens all the time. Okay. So as part of your own insurance policy, everybody listening, you should have, and if you don't have, you need to get what's called uninsured motorist coverage. Okay. Now that's where you do pay the premiums to the insurance company. And essentially what happens is your own insurance company will have to pay for everything that uninsured motorist or their insurance company would have owed you. Okay. So it's the same thing. So through your uninsured motorist coverage, you would be compensated for your medical bills, your pain and suffering, your lost wages, and everything that goes along with it. So that would come from your own insurance company. And despite the fact that it's your own insurance company, they will still try to lowball you and pay off early and get out from under the claim, because again, they are corporations, they are greedy, they are soulless, and all they want to do is make a buck. Okay, so they will undercut their own insureds. Even if it's an uninsured or underinsured motorist case, you should still consult with a lawyer, because your own insurance company will become the enemy, and I would not recommend you dealing with them on your own.
Yeah, exactly. Great words of wisdom. Your insurance company is in the business not to pay you. They're not your friend, and you do need somebody in between, an intermediary, an advocate, your own attorney, to negotiate and deal with them. And you mentioned you need to have an attorney. I just want to emphasize, not just any attorney, not just an attorney who's a general practitioner, a little bit of divorce, a little bit of criminal, a little bit of personal injury, right, Kevin? You want somebody who concentrates and who has the experience and knowledge of personal injury law, and not only someone who just settles cases, but who is a litigator like yourself that has a whole team behind them. Because Kevin, you mentioned to me off camera, and it's on your website, they have a whole team of litigators, of attorneys in your firm that's able to take on these giant insurance companies head on, correct?
Yes, absolutely, that's true. We do have we have very experienced trial lawyers in this office, and yes, we work as a team. We work together, and you will have a highly experienced trial lawyer working on your case with the Attkisson law firm. There's no doubt about it.
Perfect. Okay, Kevin, thank you so much. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Again, we're here to just educate. Kevin Attkisson is here to give you general advice on personal injury. If you were involved in a car accident, or even if you have an attorney now, you want to get a second opinion, it's always best to call the phone number on the bottom of the screen and ask for Kevin Attkisson. Thank you so much, everybody. In our next session, we're going to talk about how to obtain maximum settlement for your car accident case in Dayton, Ohio. What are the elements you have to prove to get maximum compensation? Thank you, everybody. Until next time. Bye-bye.